everyone. Be safe wherever you are. I'm going to build and paint a sports car. And I've got these paints here that I can paint it with. So I'm really going to put black for the tires, you know that. I'm just going to try and there. Now, whoa! What's this supposed to be?
You got it upside down too, right?
Oh.
There you go.
So we've got all of this that we're going to make it with. These are complicated instructions. Too complicated. Look!
Okay.
There's 2 lots that I've got to push through.
Okay.
I'm gonna push this out now. I'm trying to push 1 and 2. There. That's one of them. Now this one. Ooh.
Slowly.
Oh. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to help you because you're going to need a glue to do this.
Right, so what you're going to do, basically, it says connect 1s and 2s together, as it were. Where's that 1 and 2 one?
This is... Okay.
I lost the 1 and 2. Oh, there it is. So, this here is 1 and 2 connected to... Where's it going?
Look.
This... Where's the 1? I've got the 2 there.
Wait.
Right there.
Wait,
Connected to this 1 and this 2.
Dad,
and so forth.
We need this one too. And also, I forgot it's this one. We need this one too. Oh.
What do you think that is?
That is definitely the seat because I can see on the picture there.
Okay. Let me see.
So can you see that bit there?
That's the seat,
yeah, that's the seat.
So that's the seat. Well done.
I'm gonna put this seat in now. Basically done. I'm gonna take this one out.
Okay.
Super fast speed, go! So I wonder where this goes.
It goes here. 15 and 16. There, the back here.
Put this one on now. This is complicated. I'm supposed to put this 9 and 10 on before I put this 15 and 16 one on there.
Makes sense.
This, I think it goes on here. 11 and 12. Jeez. This thing's pulling it.
And then on top of that goes 15 and 16. And we put on too early.
Yes, Dad, we put it on too early. We were on 4 and 5. We managed to put the 10 and 11 on. This one is 13 and 14 and it goes here.
That's right.
Dad, can you put it on for me, please?
Yeah, okay. Put that there then.
These go on the side. And here we're going to put the wheels.
Put it down here then.
So we're going
So which way does it go?
I don't know which 20. I know it goes like this way, but I don't know which side is which. This goes first. And I think it goes down here because my dad saw a hook there.
What number is that?
17 and 18.
Well done.
How did?
So what we didn't know is this one here, 1 and 2, how it went. It goes flat down there like that. We left the hole on that side. We think it could be the wheel. And then the whole of this piece goes in like this.
Yeah. And definitely
like
the wheels actually go there, there,
of
there,
course.
there.
It's very flimsy, isn't it, Daniel?
Yeah.
It breaks very easily. Okay.
Okay. So this is another day now, and I'm going to finish building this car here. You want to see closer? Oops.
So we're using this one here, which is 25 and 28,
Yes.
popping it out on this one. Where does this go, Dan?
Okay, so this goes here,
Goes there.
there, and there,
that
through
side.
there.
Okay. So what we've done is we put the 25, 28 on first, and then the rest of the pieces will go on after that.
Oh, it's going smooth already. I'm going to take 8 and 7 out. I already took 8 out.
That's it. That's 8.
Yeah. And
Where's the 7?
yeah. This is 7 and 8, so I don't know where the 7 is.
Okay, that's 7.
Yeah.
So what do you do with that? It goes
down in the wheel.
goes on the wheel.
Wow.
It just goes down.
It looks a little bit like a sleigh at the bottom.
Okay, we need to go in. What do we need to go in?
We need to go in number order.
We need to go in number order, which we didn't do.
Yeah.
And so
we did at the start though.
Then we have to keep going back. So this is number, I think, 7.
Yeah, 7 and 8.
So this goes inside there. It's a bit finicky.
Yeah.
So I'm helping Dan just put that in there.
I'm not doing it.
Now Dan,
Yeah.
can you put the wheel on top of there, please?
The wheel.
Yeah, that's the wheel that you had in your hand.
Wheel that I had in my
Not on
hand.
there.
Here.
This one.
Oh, that's me.
Put it in there. Put it on top of there.
Oh, so the steering wheel.
There you go.
Yes.
Hang on.
That
doesn't make sense. Hang on.
it does because it's the steering wheel.
Okay, let's put it together. See what happens.
We put the steering wheel on. I thought it was like the glass thing, but.
Dan says he needs help, so I'm having to help him.
I'm not helping Daddy help me. I'm just letting him do it.
Okay. This is the seat at the back, which keeps falling out.
Which Daddy keeps.
Right, where's the other things?
Huh?
And these things have to be stuck on here somehow.
Yeah, stuck. Super icky wicky stuck.
That's what it looks like up to now.
Yeah. Here's 37 and 38. Here's 39 and 40.
Right, 39, 40, right?
That's
Where did they
41,
go
that's
on here?
41, that's 41.
Where did they go on here? Where did they go on here?
What did I?
Go on there
Yeah, they're a little
and
bit.
there. So they go across there and there, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to pull them out for me?
I'm the best at pulling these things.
Okay. So pull that one out slowly, nice and steady. Okay.
Don't bend the wood.
Careful, alright? Pull that one out. Don't break it. There you go. It's stiff, that one. You got your head in the camera. Okay, so we're pulling out this one here now. This one here. Pull it out. Well done. So we're going to put it on here and here. How do they go? That's right. One goes there.
And one goes there.
Right, put it in.
This is 29.30. I'm going to pull it out from there.
Okay, let's pull out the 29.30 then. And where does it go?
Voila.
Dan? Does it go to the back of there?
There and there.
Yeah, push it in.
There you guys.
Okay guys, so the last few things to do with this car, as I'm explaining to Dan right here, that this is a spoiler or something that goes on there. So that's where this is going to go, there. And then these are the mirrors that has to go on the side, which is just there, and the other side there. And then last of all, the wheels. Now Dan and I have worked at it, and we're not sure how these wheels work, because according to the diagram it's 45, 45, 45, 45. Both of these things are called 45. So what we're going to do, 42s go into there, which is, let's go close up here. 42s go into there, which is basically in that wheel there. So that'll go like that, which is this piece here, goes into there at the end to hold the wheels on. But the wheels have these two things, there's nowhere else can be doing but except like this, to make the wheel thicker. So they have to be glued on. So it's gonna, Dan's gonna glue, well, I'll glue for him 4 wheels, then he'll put them on. That'll go on, spoiler will go on, and lights will go on, and that'll be it. We'll see how that looks then. These things have to be glued down because there's no way there's holding on to it. So Dan, you finished now, yeah?
Yeah.
Should we have a look?
So the wheels go here.
Right, you done
yeah.
it.
We figured out like these ones go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
First I thought.
what about that? You got the mirrors in.
Yeah, I got the mirrors in. Daddy actually put it in because it was too hard for me.
Okay.
Since Dad was in there first.
Back thing on there as well?
Wait, Dad. Let me just do this thing first.
You got the back thing on there, right?
Yeah, we've got that back.
And the front here. This front here.
Yeah.
Let's put that in.
It's called
Let's
the
have a look at the
bumper.
car. There you go.
It's called the bumper, Dad.
So let's just have a look at the car. Okay. So guys, this is the finished product. Dan didn't want to paint anything except what he's just painted. That's all he wants to do. He doesn't want to do anything else indeed.